Hello everyone, so the question given is let S be the set of all complex numbers Z satisfying mod of Z square plus Z plus 1 equals to 1, then which of the following statements? Now the answer is option B and C. Solution: mod of Z square plus Z plus 1 equals to 1, which implies mod of Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 equals to 1, which implies mod of Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 is less than equal to Z mod of Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4, which implies 1 is less than equal to Z plus 1 by 2 mod whole square plus 3 by 4, which implies mod of Z plus 1 by 2 mod whole square is greater than equal to 1 by 4. Therefore mod of Z plus 1 by 2 is greater than equal to 1 by 2. Option C is correct. Also mod of Z square plus Z plus 1 equals to 1, which is greater than equal to mod of Z square plus Z minus 1 mod, which implies mod of Z square plus Z minus 1 is less than equal to 1, which implies mod of Z square plus Z is less than equal to 2. Now mod Z square minus mod Z is less than equal to mod of Z square plus Z is less than equal to 2, which implies mod of R square minus R is less than equal to 2, which implies R is equals to mod of Z, which is less than equal to 2, which Z belongs to S. Also we can always find root of the equation Z square plus Z plus 1, which is equal to e to the power iota theta, where theta belongs to real. Hence set S is an infinite.